How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm gonna do how to lose weight step-by-step instant gains. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. So how do you lose weight, you guys? If you guys, studies have shown or research has shown that 2/3 of the population of North America, that's Canada and the States, are overweight. 1/3 is obese. So overweight could be anywhere from over 10 to 50 pounds over your normal weight. Obese is like 100, 150 pounds over your normal weight, or what your weight should be at your height. So it's absolutely insane. Something is going on that is making everyone overweight and fat. So what is it? It literally comes down to added sugar. Added sugar. A lot of people put sugar and cream in their coffee. 1.5 billion people drink coffee. 1.5 billion people in the world. 99% drink it with sugar or cream. Only 1% drink it black. All that added sugar, you guys. And some people drink 3, 4, 5 cups a day. Some people put 3, 4, 5, 6 sugar cubes in their coffee. It's absolutely insane. Second one is pop. Mountain Dew, Pepsi, Coke, all these different types of things. Terrible for added sugar. It's all added sugar. It's literally wadded added sugar and like food coloring. That's it. It's terrible. Energy drinks, sports drinks, Powerades, Gatorades, all that garbage. Chocolate, candy, pastries, high sugary cereals, white rice, white bread, white spaghetti, donuts, candy, all that stuff. Crackers, garbage, complete and utter garbage. If you look 30, 40 years ago, there's a huge rise in type 2 diabetes because of everything now is made with added sugar. So there's 20, 30, 40, I forget how many millions and millions and millions of people that have type 2 diabetes. That's diagnosed. There's more that are undiagnosed. So people are walking around, they have type 2 diabetes. They have no idea that they have it. It's bad. It's really, really bad, you guys. And letting that go undiagnosed is extremely bad for your health. So remove added sugar from your diet. Track how much added sugar you're having a day. And I guarantee you, every single person watching this video has more added sugar than what the AHA recommends. AHA, American Heart Association, recommends 6 tablespoons of sugar per day. That comes out to 24 grams of sugar per day max of added. So what is that? One pop has 12 tablespoons. So having one pop, you're already twice over the limit of how much added sugar you're supposed to have per day. You have one serving of a high sugary cereal, you're over. You have one donut, you're over. You have some crackers. Crackers aren't actually too high in added sugar, but they're still bad for simple carbs. You have candy, one serving candy, you're over. You have one pastry, you're over. Like, it's insane. Like, the amount of added sugar that you're supposed to have in a day is very low, and everybody goes over. So if you want to lose weight, remove added sugar from your diet. The weight will melt off of you. I'm not even kidding. Not even kidding. End of video. Thank you so much for watching.